Welcome to the anatomy and physiology of the gastrointestinal system, the pathway that turns food into life's essential energy. Digestion begins in the mouth, teeth grind, the tongue mixes, and saliva's amylase starts carbohydrate breakdown. The bolus moves through the pharynx and esophagus by rhythmic peristalsis, guided into the stomach. In the stomach, acid and pepsin unfold proteins, while muscles churn food into semi-fluid chyme. In the small intestine, bile and enzymes digest nutrients. Villi absorb amino acids, sugars, and fats. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes. Bacteria ferment residue, forming solid waste.
Arteries deliver nutrients. The portal vein carries them to the liver. The enteric nervous system coordinates motion and secretion.